Okay, so the Winnebago Revel 2021 and 22 has these very shallow drawers in the kitchen galley area. They're about 50% of the height of the actual drawer, and it allows items to fall back into the cabinet area. You got to fish them out. It makes storage kind of difficult, to be honest. And there's a company called Clausen Custom Hardwoods, and I'll put a link in the description. He's come up with a kit to kind of just real simple to double the height of all the drawers, the 3 drawers. This is what you get. It's well packaged, protected, and you get all 3 drawers. They're well constructed, got a nice finish to them. They match the wood type of the existing drawers. Comes with all the hardware that you're going to need, and this is about a 10 or 15 minute project depending on how OCD you are about getting everything aligned, but it's definitely worth it. I think at the end you get a lot more useful space out of your drawers, and I wish Winnebago would have just done this from the factory. So let's go ahead and get into it. You're going to go ahead and drill some pilot holes. I think it's a 1/16 bit that I used here, and go in. You might want to mark your bit with a tape so you don't puncture all the way through, but once you do that, then you just take your screwdriver or screw gun and tighten down the hardware fastening it in place, and it could not be more simple. So when you're done, it's a total of what 12 holes you have to drill and screw in. This is what you get. You got full height drawers. You can now load these things to full capacity, and it's the way these drawers should have been. It's unfortunate you got this black hardware there, but unless you come up with a dowel and glue system, I'm not sure how you do it in a more efficient manner. Okay, so what do you think of the new drawers?
They are fabulous. Look at that.
Yeah, it's a nice improvement.
Before, I had a little tiny container in there that was a little bit higher, just so things wouldn't fall out the back, but your junk drawer has endless possibilities now. And then this one's the best, because we had utensils falling out the back that you had to
fish
back out of there, and so this is amazing. I love it. I may even take this thing out of there.
Great. And then the lower one?
The lower one?
We were thinking we didn't even need that one,
but it is nice, but it wasn't necessary since we just have the coffee maker and stuff in there, but it still kind of finishes it off. Looks nice.
So you're happy with the upgrade?
2 thumbs up.